Hi guys, it's Goddess Gail. Today I have another fragrance to review, and this one is YSL Black Opium. This one of my best friends recommended me to use this one, and so I bought it. And let me tell you guys, this is one of the most delicious fragrances ever. For this one, Black Opium, I saw a lot of reviews. People say that this one is kind of generic or it's kind of normal. It's not special or something like that. But to me personally, I think this one is kind of special. There's something about it that I couldn't explain. I don't know, is this too bold statement, but as of right now, this one is my most favorite fragrance ever. I like something that's sweet, and this one is really sweet. Oh my goodness. Oh shit. This one, I can sense sweetness from the vanilla, but this one has some coffee. I love the smell of the coffee. It reminds me of some kind of candy, like chocolate coffee candy that is so fucking yummy. I don't know how to tell you guys, this one is really bold, but it puts some kind of coffee to blend it in, so it's not too strong and it's not too sweet. Even though a lot of people would say this one is normal, but not for me. It's really amazing. This one suits for every occasion, even though for the night out, everyday fragrance. So the note that they have is orange blossom, patchouli, cedar wood, black coffee acrid. I don't know, you guys. I think you should go to the counter and try it on to see if you really like it. I think this one is for every occasion. It's a beautiful fragrance. I think everyone would like it. But for some people still say that it's kind of normal, but not for me. So I think you should try it on at the counter to see if you like it. But for me, gourmand edible thing mixed with coffee. My goodness. That's it, guys. My quick review for this fragrance. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, this one, I think it lasts on my skin more than 10 hours. That's freaking amazing. It's not like Miss Dior that lasts for the next day, but it's not like that. But this one, if you spray in the morning, you still could smell yourself at night. Kind of light skin scent. So I love it. That's what I can say. As of right now, this one is the most favorite of mine. Hi guys, and I forgot to tell you guys, for the Black Opium, it retails for $76 for the smallest one, 30 mils, and the one that I bought is 100 mils. No, 90 mils. That one is like $126. So compared to Dior, it's a little bit cheaper, and this one is not that, too pricey compared to the designer brand. It's not too pricey, it's not cheap, but I do recommend everyone to use it. I still do. Hi guys, I'm back, and I would like to check in with you guys. Right now it's midnight, and when I first sprayed for the Black Opium, it was 11:30 a.m. 12 hours passed already, but I still could smell Black Opium. Oh my god, that's amazing. I was sitting in front of my computer and I was editing, and I still could smell myself. This is, I don't know what to say. I'll let you guys think. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in my next video. I wanna be her.